What's up, everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm so pumped you're here because today we're diving into some seriously cool tech that's going to blow your mind. LangGraph.js. So, what exactly is LangGraph.js? Imagine a world where you can build AI agents that are not only intelligent, but also easy to manage and deploy. Well, that's what LangGraph.js is all about. It's a powerful JavaScript framework specifically designed for crafting cutting-edge AI agents, and trust me, this is a game changer. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about AI agents? Think of them as autonomous helpers. They can fetch information, analyze data, even make decisions based on what they've learned. But here's the kicker. LangGraph.js makes building these agents incredibly intuitive, even if you're not a coding wizard. Let's talk about one of my favorite features, human in the loop, or HITL for short. With LangGraph.js, you can seamlessly integrate human oversight into your AI workflows. Imagine you're building an AI that processes refunds for your online store. You wouldn't want a purely automated system making those decisions, right? With HITL, you can set up checkpoints where a human can review and approve each refund before it's processed. It's like having a safety net for your AI. LangGraph.js allows you to set up these checkpoints using something called interrupts. These interrupts act like pauses in the AI's workflow, giving humans a chance to step in and make critical decisions. The best part is that you can implement interrupts either through a visual interface during the prototyping phase or programmatically for more control in production. But what happens if your AI workflow gets interrupted multiple times? That's where checkpoints come in handy. Using LangGraph.js, you can save the state of your AI at specific points in the workflow. So, even if there's an interruption, the AI can pick up right where it left off, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. No more starting from scratch. Now, let's talk about deployment. Building an AI agent is awesome, but what good is it if you can't easily share it with the world? Well, LangGraph.js has you covered there too. With LangGraph Cloud, you get a dedicated platform optimized for running your LangGraph.js applications at scale. Deploying your agents is a breeze. Just a few clicks and you're good to go. LangGraph Cloud takes care of all the heavy lifting, like scaling your application to handle high traffic and providing seamless integration with other tools. It's like having your own personal AI army ready to conquer any challenge. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about building cool stuff, like multilingual chat applications. Imagine creating a chat app where users from all over the world can communicate effortlessly in their native languages. Well, LangGraph.js makes that possible too. You can design a system of interconnected agents, each specialized in a specific language or task. For instance, you could have user agents responsible for translating messages to and from the user's preferred language, and an AI assistant agent capable of understanding and responding in multiple languages. It's like having a United Nations of AI working together. And the best part is that LangGraph.js makes it surprisingly straightforward to manage these complex interactions between agents. You can define clear roles and responsibilities for each agent, ensuring smooth communication and collaboration within your multilingual chat application. So there you have it, guys. We've only scratched the surface of what LangGraph.js can do. Trust me, this is a powerful tool with endless possibilities. If you want to learn more, dive into the LangChain documentation. They have tons of resources and examples to get you started. Let me know what you think of LangGraph.js in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. And as always, thanks for watching All About AI Tech. I've been working hard to improve the quality of my videos, and I'm really trying to build a community where we can all learn and grow together in this exciting field. Your support means the world to me. So if you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please don't hesitate to share them in the comments. Let's keep exploring the incredible world of AI together. Until next time, stay curious.